I have a great tip for you today. When you start quilting, at the beginning of your quilting experience, usually we feel a little intimidated by the way things look, especially if we turn over the back and we look and think, oh my gosh, I'm not a very good quilter yet. So until you become a proficient, really good quilter, I have a tip. Use a busy back. Then when people turn over the back, they go, I can't even see your quilting. You go, yeah, but the front still looks good. Okay? So let me show you the difference. There's a lot of quilting in this, a lot of quilting. And yet, when I turn that over, you can see maybe some texture, but you really can't see the quilting. So if your tension was off a little bit or you didn't quite get your points right, it's not going to show on the back. But let's look at this quilt. Let's look at the back. Everything is going to show on a solid fabric, especially white. You can see everything in there. So this is something, if you want to use a solid back, you might want to use Pro Stitcher so that it looks exactly perfect.